The Huawei Pura 70 Pro Plus is a recently launched flagship camera phone. Adaptive refresh rate, full screen display, super attractive in design, flagship camera, fast wired and wireless charging and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Huawei Pura 70 Pro Plus. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with unboxing this. Here we have the Huawei Pura 70 Pro Plus box. The phone's branding is right on top of the box. Huawei has launched 4 models in their series: Pura 70 Standard variant, Pura 70 Pro, Pura 70 Pro Plus, and Pura 70 Pro Ultra. I've already unboxed, reviewed, and tested the camera of the Pura 70 Ultra variant, and you can find the link to that video in the description below. Make sure to check it out. Now, let's focus on the Pura 70 Pro Plus variant, which comes in phantom black color. On the top of the box, the phone's branding is in rose gold color. Let's open the lid of the box, and the first thing we see is the phone itself. As I mentioned, it's the black color variant. Let's remove the plastic covering the phone. At first glance, the phone looks stunning, and the textures on the back are eye-catching. When you change the angle of the phone in the light, the textures also change, which adds to its appeal. Looking at the rest of the box contents, we find a SIM ejector tool and a 500 yuan membership benefit package, which is available only in China. This is a transparent case made of hard plastic, providing protection mainly to the corners while leaving the sides open. It comes with a 100-watt power adapter with dual ports, although only one port can be used at a time. Now, let's take a look at the front of the phone. The screen has curved edges on all 4 sides, offering a better screen compared to the Magic 6 series. The bezels around the screen are uniform on all 4 sides. After putting on the case, you can see that the frame remains exposed on the sides. The frame is made of metal, and the back of the phone is glass. The leather variant is available only in the Pura 70 Ultra model. The phone weighs approximately 220 grams and is 8.4 millimeters thick, which makes it a bit heavy, but it's not too wide, so you can still hold it comfortably with one hand. The camera module is triangular in shape, housing 3 camera lenses, and it protrudes slightly from the back. The phone features a 6.8-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, which is adaptive. So, with a refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, power consumption will be reduced, and the display offers a smooth experience with swiping and scrolling. In this video, I'm just giving you my first impressions of the phone. You can expect a detailed review video on our channel soon. So, be sure to subscribe and join our tech team to catch the review first. Speaking of the camera on the phone, it features a rear-facing triple camera setup. The main camera is 50 megapixels with a variable aperture ranging from f1.4 to f4.0. There's also a 12.5 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 48 megapixel telephoto camera supporting zoom from 3.5x to 10x. For selfies, there's a 13 megapixel ultra-wide camera. We'll look at camera samples and detail in the review video. As for performance, the phone is powered by Huawei's in-house Kirin 9010 chip, built on a 7nm platform. The phone comes with a whopping 16 GB of RAM and offers 2 storage options, 512 GB and 1 TB. As for the battery, it packs a 5050 mAh battery capacity. For charging, you get 100 watts wired charging, 80 watts wireless charging support, as well as 20 watts reverse wireless charging and 18 watts reverse wired charging support. In terms of extra features, in China, you'll also find satellite communication capabilities, along with an IP68 water and dust resistance rating. The phone supports Ling-C communication, which enhances signal reception in subways, high-speed rails, and low network areas. Talking about the price of the Huawei Pura 70 Pro Plus, it starts from 79.99 Chinese yuan, which is around £886 in the UK and up to $1,105 in the USA. For the conclusion, pros, and cons of the phone, you can check out the detailed review video that will be available soon on our channel. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.